Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Civic key fob here. It works for these models 2022 and 2023 and you don't need any fancy tools. You only need one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right on this side right here. When you turn the fob you see it, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove the mechanical key, it's time to separate the fob into two pieces like this, and the easiest way to do that is just hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down. And now right here, right in this spot between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right here precisely. Be careful to not break the plastic, very precise, and now twist it a little bit. You can also insert it here carefully, twist it a little bit again and push it up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now when you separate it, if this chip here that contains the battery fall off, don't worry, just take it and place it back in its place over here. Okay, and now to replace the battery again, it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.